Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from Karlami hair. This is a 2-in-1 wig, you guys. So one half of the wig is one color and the other half is another color. So as you guys just saw, I do have the highlight and the black one. This basically has like two different ways you could wear one wig unit, and it does have two different laces. Like, I'm gonna show you guys the inside of the wig cap because it's very interesting how they did this. You're basically getting two wigs in one. This is 100% human hair, 24 inches, 180% density. And as far as the lace size, it is a 4x4, I believe. So let's go ahead and do a very quick unboxing, and I'm going to give you a close-up of the hair. So as you can see, it's this beautiful like honey blonde / brown highlight situation going on. That's a close-up of the lace, and as you can see, it has the non-slip silicone base. Now when you turn the wig inside out, you'll get the black on top with the highlighted portion at the bottom, and there also is a separate lace. So there's a separate lace at the bottom of the wig cap and at the top of the wig cap, just so you can adjust the wig very easily and quickly depending on which color you want to wear for the day. So hopefully that makes sense. So I went ahead and I added some foundation on both ends because that's where both of the laces are, and we are going to start off with the highlighted portion of this wig, and I'm going to install it very quick and easy. It's a very beginner friendly wig, you guys. It's just the fact that it is basically two wigs in one. So you're just going to throw the wig on per usual. Just make sure everything is fitting you correctly. There is an adjustable elastic band, so if you need to tighten it, you can. The wig cap in general was fitting pretty decent on me, I'm not gonna lie, but I needed the lace to stay in a certain spot and it kept moving. So I did use some lace melting spray to kind of help out with that. And I'm gonna give you guys some more close-ups of the hair. You'll see the highlighted color at the top and the black at the bottom. And I will be turning around for you guys. That way you can really see how the wig cap looks, being that there's two different laces on this one wig cap, but we'll get to that in just a few, okay? But again, I am going to add just a little bit of lace melting spray just to help out with that lace as far as keeping it secure and helping with the melts. Now I'm just adding a lighter foundation in that middle part area to kind of help mimic my scalp, and then I will be using my wax stick and my hot comb to ensure that the top of the wig is laying as flat as possible. As always, I'm just adding a little bit more foundation on that lace just to help with the color of the lace and really make it melt a whole lot better, along with the spray that I use. So basically all of my methods is to make sure that the lace is melted as much as possible. We don't want anybody looking and being like, I can see your lace. This is a close-up, so as you guys can see, everything worked out very, very well. Okay, so now it's time to style the rest of the hair. Now as far as this curly texture, it kind of reminds me of like a Jerry curly. It's not too thick and it's also not too thin, and is very soft to the touch, and I like the fullness of it. So I'm going to keep the styling very basic. I'm just going to add a little bit of water and a little bit of gel because I want to keep as much volume as possible. If you would like a lot more definition, then you would just use a whole lot more water and a whole lot more gel. So it's really completely up to you. However, I do feel like the hair was pretty full. It didn't say the density on the website, but I'm going to go ahead and say it's 180% density. And also, just so you guys are aware, even though I do have the highlight in black color, they also do have a black and burgundy. So one half of the wig will be mostly burgundy, the other half will be mostly black. But the one that I have is mostly highlight or mostly black. So you do have another color change option if you would like to purchase that one. There's a separate option that you can get, all right? So this is what the hair is looking like. It's very fluffy, very bouncy, and it's pretty thick too, but it doesn't feel heavy on your head. Again, it's a very easy texture to work with. So then I went ahead and I flipped the wig over, and now we are going to adjust it to where the black is what's mostly on top and the highlighted color is at the bottom. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was not feeling it at all. I just feel like the black was a little too blunt, and then with the peekaboo highlights in the back, it just looked very weird to me. But what I will say is that this is a very creative way to promote a wig unit. 2 wigs in one. It's something that a lot of these brands are going for nowadays, and everyone's getting kind of creative. So you guys let me know how you feel about it in the comment section down below. I will have the direct link to this wig listed in the description box. For the exact one that I have, I do believe it's around like $230, and again, it's like 2 wigs for the price of one, so that's not terrible. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time.